Uranium friends, we are checking out URNM against UX1, which is the uranium futures contract. So, yeah, a lot of complaining about the equities not doing not following spot price. And look, you start to use ratio charts and you say, yeah, it's true. I mean, it's visually clear that the mining equities are underperforming spot price and uranium futures. So, does that change? Well, it probably will change at some point, right? So, but where are we now? So, it's been very much sideways since the beginning of the year. And there's a pretty clear level here that is just kind of holding. Now, ratio charts aren't like, oh, if it does this, it's going. The URNM chart can go. This ratio chart can go up, um, and URNM can stay sideways or even go down. But if spot price is going down more, uh, then this ratio will actually go up. It doesn't necessarily mean that the equities are now going to go up. It just means that they might be not going down as much. But regardless of that, we have a weekly chart here, and we have a pretty clear level and a pretty clear area where we're at support. We're just dancing around support here, and this volume profile tells the same story. So, at the moment, this is truly the point of control here. This level right here, which is what 0.62. It's resistance. So it's going to need to this ratio chart in order for us to say that equities are outperforming. This ratio chart is going to need to start making a move upwards. And what it's just done, as we zoom in a little bit more, yeah, what it's just done is that this ratio has confirmed a weekly downtrend, but with no follow through. So essentially, it's just sideways. So these equities are grinding sideways. They've been for a while, other than a few names, like CCJ and the big board, the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq big board names are outperforming all the other stuff. But don't forget that this everything is encompassed in URNM, right? So we're talking about a lot of juniors and a lot of companies that may never produce, or a lot of whatever. You have to look at the holdings on URNM to see. So, but as far as the ratio chart is concerned, it's sideways action. It's been sideways action really for a very long time. In order for us to see that change, we need to get an uptrend. So let me just take a look at the daily here. Yeah, so the daily, it's still just pushing down. So we had a little bit of a reprieve here, but it just got knocked down again. So, sometimes you might sit there and say, all right, when do I rotate out of the actual physical commodity and into the equities? Well, this chart is telling you not yet. you know it's really just that simple. Um, it's also saying that maybe there's a little bit more to go here, so we're going to be needing some sort of bounce for the equities to follow suit. So back on the weekly here, again, it's just sideways. So uh, you know if spot continues to perform the way it does, this can stay sideways, which it doesn't mean that the equities are not going to go up. They just won't go up as in the same percentage wise as the physical itself. So, in order to see that there's going to be torque and what everybody's supposedly looking for, I am not looking for what you guys are looking for. I'm positioned for these moon boy shots if they occur. I see nothing that says that's going to occur. We have the Russian uranium ban legislation that's moving through the House right now, and it'll have to get passed off into the Senate. And then the president will have to sign off on it. And that doesn't even necessarily mean that it's green lights and it's all go. So, bottom line, equities are sideways, relative underperformance compared to spot. Doesn't bother me. My core is spot. So, these are gifts as far as I'm concerned. I don't want to see these levels break down here. This sideways action, it could be problematic. So holding on, waiting for a turn. Over and out.